Welcome to today's open house. Today's open house is located at 8101 East Dartmouth Avenue, house number 33, in the amazing community of Gun Club Green. And this is located just basically at I-25 in Hamden. And oh my goodness, what a great community. This is a community of 102 custom homes. This is offered by the original owner. This home was built in 1981. It is a ranch-style home, meaning it's single-story. And look at this backyard. So this particular neighborhood, Gun Club Green, has a 7-acre park that's in the center of a circle, basically. And this home is on the north side of that circle and, of course, backs up to this amazing green belt. And the park includes a clubhouse, resort-style pool, pickleball courts, tennis courts. This main level is 1,854 square feet on the main level, so 1854, and then the basement is also 1854. There are 2 bedrooms and 2 baths on the main level, and 2 bedrooms and 1 bath on the lower level. And what a fabulous, sturdy, custom home, all brick. And let's just go check out this master suite in here. Can you imagine waking up right onto this private greenbelt? What a great view. Anyway, we're going to be having open houses this weekend. I hope that you will have an opportunity to stop by. Haven't seen you for a little while, so come and check it out. See you soon. Bye for now. I'm Debbie, and I'm selling Denver.